All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's ready for first startup.
What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are headed back out to Dover's to continue on with the Coyote 321 swap and Street Slayer's 14 GT. If you did not catch the last video, we started the swap. Also, we put some new wheels on the 2020 GT, and I've got to say that I'm loving the new look. Alright guys, as you can see, the new wheels are on the car and I'm absolutely loving the way the car looks now. The stock 18-inch base wheels, I do not know what Ford was thinking even putting those on the car, even being a base. Ford, come on, get it together. Those are hideous. What were you thinking? Those wheels look like they belong on an Explorer. As you can see, we got the GoPro cam going. If you noticed in my last drag strip video, I did not have my normal helmet cam. The reason being is, if you've been in my live, you know that my GoPro case actually broke and the tabs broke off, so I couldn't put it on anything, which sucked. So I had to order a new case. That finally came in, so we are back to point of view in the car, and my next drag strip outing, you will have the helmet cam back, which I really enjoy. Anyway, guys, we are headed out to Dover's, so let's get out there. All right, so where we left off yesterday, where we're putting the headers on the new engine. Of course, there is the old engine, but while I'm waiting on Street Slayers to get here, I'm gonna go ahead and start swapping everything off of the old K-member onto the new BMR tubular K-member, so we can, when he gets here, we'll get everything bolted up the rest of the way to that, get it on here, get it up under there, get the clutch on, get the transmission on, and get it up into the car. So I'm gonna start disassembling everything off here, guys, and getting it all over there. got the engine put in, guys. We got everything hooked up. Unfortunately, we cannot start it. The reason being is we do not have the Palm Beach dyno startup tune. Now, if this was a normal, just a Gen 3 short block with Gen 2 heads and, you know, stock Gen 1 cams, I'd go ahead and say fire it up. But with him having all that done, Coyote Gen intake and stage 3 comp cams, my suggestion is wait till you get the startup tune and start it up and then start tuning it from there. So guys, you'll need to go check out Street Slayers on his channel to see this bad boy. And also, he will be back down for Takeover. He's going to be down here running. So he says if you got an NA,
bring it.
Bring it. He wants to tango with you.
I do. I want to tango with all of them.
There you go. Me and you gonna run.
Sure do. I sure.
Me and let me see. You got me and you, me and Pony, and then I want to run Caleb.
You want to run Caleb?
Caleb's gonna be a tall order. It's gonna be a tall order for Caleb. It's gonna be really down to getting out the line. Who, you know, if he hooks or not. I've seen him run a 7.3, and I've ran a 7.4 in good air. He's running a 7.3 in good air, so we don't know.
You know who
that's a lot of bench racing.
You know who else we can't forget about?
Who?
Nickel
White. Also,
White's
Nickel White, he'll take me down no problem. That's a fast car.
Yep.
He's all out in a lightweight 410 gears in the rear end.
456s.
456s now?
Yeah, he put 456s on his car.
Holy crap!
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's good. He's gonna be another tall order to fill.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, exactly. But anyway, I'm going turbo before long, so it doesn't matter. All right, it's been a few days since we finished everything up, and Street Slayers finally got the tune to start the vehicle. He sent me a video, so I'm gonna throw it up right here.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, this is the moment I've been waiting for. You've been waiting for. We've all been waiting for. Tune is loaded. It's ready for first startup. This is legit the first startup. It started. Oh my God. All right, I gotta get out and check everything.
All right, so as you can see, it has started up. Now all he's got to do is get the tuning done and be back down here for Fordtakeover coming up June 6th. We are going to have a blast, guys. I cannot wait. Also, don't forget that we have merchandise now on the channel. I will throw up some pictures of the shirts. The shirts are $25 each. You can order through speedaddict731@gmail.com. And guys, we also have stickers. I finally got the stickers in. All right, guys, this is the size of them. Like I said in other videos, I didn't want to make them too big, so they are white vinyl. They are all white vinyl. And this is the size of it right here. I didn't want to make them too big because I know a lot of you have asked, and I know me personally, I don't like huge stickers on my car. So I didn't make them that big at all. And as you can see, that's about the size of them. So they're not really big. There's my hand right there for comparison. But a lot of you have been asking for them, so I had them made with my logo that I'm using now. So guys, if you want to pick these up, these are $5 each, and they will be at Fordtakeover. I'm going to be looking into trying to create a website for merchandise and stuff like that, but I'm only going to do it if sales are coming in that will show me that it's beneficial to have a website to sell the merchandise from. And if that happens, we will be coming up with more shirt designs and other things also, not only the one that I have right now. So guys, stay tuned for all of that. I'm sure we'll be talking about that in future videos. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time.